In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load an Unpacked extension in Chrome and Firefox. Loading an Unpacked extension is a useful way to test an extension that you're developing or evaluating before it's packaged for distribution. Instead of adding the extension from an extension store, you'll load it directly from a folder on your computer. This is commonly used by developers when testing changes, but it can also be helpful if you've received an extension's source files from a trusted source. To get started, make sure the extension files are already extracted into a single folder on your computer. The folder should contain all of the extension's files, including its manifest file, since this is required for the browser to recognize it as a valid extension. If you're using Google Chrome, open the browser and type chromes://extensions into the address bar, then press Enter. This opens Chrome's extensions page where you can manage all installed extensions. Once you're on the extensions page, enable developer mode by clicking the toggle switch in the upper right corner. Enabling developer mode unlocks additional tools for working with extensions, including the option to load Unpacked extensions. After developer mode is enabled, click the Load Unpacked button. A file browser window will appear. Navigate to the folder that contains your extension. Select the folder itself, and then confirm your selection. Chrome will immediately load the extension if the files are valid. If there are any problems with the extension, Chrome will display an error message that can help identify the issue. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, open the browser and type about debugging into the address bar, then press Enter. On the page that opens, select This Firefox from the menu. Next, click the Load Temporary Add-on button. Browse to the extensions folder and select the manifest file for the extension. Firefox will immediately load the extension as a temporary add-on, allowing you to test it right away. Keep in mind that temporary add-ons in Firefox remain active only for the current browser session. If you close and reopen Firefox, you'll need to load the extension again using the same process. Once the extension has been loaded in either browser, you can begin testing its features and verify that everything works as expected. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,